And don't tell me the seat's too skinny.
People were smaller back then.
Yeah. Well, we got these are the XLs for extra large
Has
asses.
Avery sat in the front of
Yeah,
this?
yes, well, he complained.
Oh, I won't complain.
Okay. Okay, hang on, I'll move it up a bit. There we go. Normally I drive with it all the way back. Okay. This guy's standing in a dangerous spot there. You're gonna be a hood ornament here pretty quick.
You're gonna be a hood ornament here pretty quick.
What they didn't tell you is that they wouldn't be here without me.
Okay. You mean these guys are all brothers?
No, I started the company.
Oh, did you?
He's the god. He's the godfather. 1995.
So you actually signed these guys checks?
I told it to that one.
Okay, well, I was about to tell them that this isn't a job they're doing, man. They should be paying you. Okay, close it hard like that. Is it closed? Is it flush?
It's flush.
Yeah. I checked it.
No power steering?
Nope. That's an extra belt.
Holy sh**. This is right here.
Can I go back a bit?
Oh yeah, give her.
Okay, there we go.
There we go.
These seats are set up so I can stick my legs
Hey,
straight
Mike.
out. Hey guys, how's it going?
Oh, we gotta truck it away.
Okay, where are we going? No, we don't. We can get it
Hit the
by.
stop sign, pull it right.
Oh Lord, Tunner and Jesus, lad, get that fish boat out of the way. I think we can make it.
Oh,
yeah, you got lots of room.
Excuse me.
Feel the light on from the track.
Okay, where are we going?
Hard right, I would say.
Hard right.
Around the point.
Doing a lot.
This is nuts.
I can honestly say I've never had this much weight in this car. And we're not looking at anybody in particular. Oh, this is a beautiful place you guys live in.
It's nice, eh?
I mean, I've got infinitely like adjustable suspension, but I mean, it's not adjusted for 1,500 pounds. I'm not looking at anybody in particular.
We could have put springs up where we left.
Well, actually, it's like they're a coilover, so like you can crank them right up.
Yeah.
The thing don't move, but it's set up pretty stiff. Bambi, fresh venison.
Right across the hood like they do in Newfoundland.
Yeah, that's, somebody said you don't have to watch out. Like in Quebec, they call them nid de poule, nest of the chickens, like the potholes. But then we had this friend come back from Newfoundland and says it's not the potholes you got to watch out. It's the moose horn sticking out of them.
That's right.
I mean, this is just like this car is just built for cruising, right? It's only got like 300 horses, but it's got good gears for traveling. 336s. We got the overdrive. It's geared really low, so you got a pretty good ratio. It pulls really even, right?
At 150, you're only revving like $2,000.
Well, at 125K, you're doing like 2,200. So it's
Like a normal car.
yeah. Well, I mean, it's like a new car. It's like a 5-speed truck, right? And then with the ZF, like this is the original 64 console.
Yeah.
So you're running the 5-speed, but it's in the same spot as the old 4-speed. So nice rock. I'm a rock guy. That is good rock. Harder than the back of God's head. I can tell.
Harder than the back of God's head.
Lasted for a lot of years.
Yeah. Well, I've still got a blasting ticket. My kid told me one more time. He said, I don't really want it again. They might call me to go to work. I'm done work.
What do you get it for? 5 years or 3 years?
Yeah, 5 years at a crack.
Is that what you did most of your life?
Well, most of my life was rock scaling.
Yeah.
I've had my own company for the last 25 years.
I know
Right?
you didn't see much of it on the show, but the little bit that was on there, you could tell.
Well, I mean,
you
it's
could tell you were well versed at her.
the same thing. I started when I was 18, right?
Yeah.
I was join the armed forces to get a job.
So you got a job.
Well, buddy said, hey, they're hiring rock scalers. Well, he was 17 and about 5'4", and I was 18 and 6'4", so he told us about the job. We went down and they hired me. pretty smooth.
Yeah,
Oh,
right.
wow.
Nice. Right.
I can't
I say
believe
like
it.
it's like driving a brand new car. I mean, but it says hard to drive that thing across, just like this. Lean back. Normally my seat's like right back. I'm just like sitting on the couch and you're cruising, right? I mean, you're not doing this to drive the f***ing thing, right? So it's pretty enjoyable.
Wow, this is
I
something
said
else.
when there's, I mean, we can do 1,000K a day without breaking a sweat. You
What's
just
your
get
fuel
up,
mileage like?
18 to 20. It depends if we're pushing.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, if you're doing 90K, you're about 1,800 RPM in overdrive. You're just down the road, right? Especially across prairies.
Mike, you can go straight, right? We'll go right up through that underpass up there, loop
Yeah.
down around the
Not a problem, guys. Yeah, this is a beautiful town, man. Not concentrating, I'm too relaxed. So we're going under here?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this?
This is the hotel.
Holy f***.
This is where you should have been staying today.
No, we don't give a shit, man. Well, that's beautiful, right?
No, it'd probably be 300 or 350.
Oh, yeah, exactly. So, I mean,
They got a good water slide though.
You look like a water slide guy, Mike.
Sign right up for that. Whee.
So that was your first time whale watching, eh, Mike?
Yep.
Enjoy it?
Well, you guys seem to.
Yeah. We did.
There was a lot. That was cool. I mean, it would be nice to have one right in your face, but that was a lot of whales.
Yeah.
We had a whale of a time.
Whale of a time.
We got some good footage out of that for sure. Just enough. Just enough. We'd go a lot quicker if Big Fella wasn't here. Sucking the life out of the old 300 horse. Okay, I'll quit picking on you. But, but it's just like having Avery here. You're a big target. Hard to miss.
All practice, huh? All practice.
Oh, if I could have anybody crack about my size, it's f***ing you.
Okay, this is it.
No, keep going.
Okay. We don't. I haven't been pulled over yet. 14 days, so let's try and avoid it.
You can cruise the highway pretty good, Mike, between here and Nova Scotia.
Yeah, well, I mean, it just, this car, I'm not into, like when we went to the States, like here,
No, keep going.
okay,
To the next street.
right, like we went to the States, once you hit the interstates, it's 80, 90 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So you're driving a 50-year-old car, 90 miles an hour, 10 hours a day. It's not an enjoyable experience. But this one, I mean, it's all brand new. It's, I mean, and we built it, like I said, we're just cruising. We're in no rush now. I was going slower than the speed limit, for fuck's sakes. Here,
Yeah, you got her.
So you guys been taking your good old time, Mike, or are you on?
Well, we are now because the show's over, right? We had to get here, right?
Okay.
Okay, so man, should I let Matt pack all the from there?
Drag it up the wharf.
Should we go pick him up? Pick him
Waving at you, Mike.
Never seen a movie star before.
up? The Queen.
Hey.
You've got some kind of women fan base, Mike.
Are you enjoying New Brunswick?
Yes, it's
I
amazing.
can see that you're enjoying it.
Oh, wow, we-
So I used to live in the shoe shop and I used to work at the Lucky Buck.
Did ya?
And you used to come in there.
Really?
When he drank? When he drank?
1994.
Oh, and he drank.
It's always fun.
Need a quick loop.
Get your damn hand out of the way.
You tell him, hon.
He's gone and she's hired.
Okay, thanks, guys. Okay, let's play this silly game one more time.
Light her up.
It's not built. I would if I could get rid of this guy. We're out here eating out. We're gonna wipe out the lobsters before we go home. Nice. Yes, sir. There you go, guys.
I'll give her a break.
No charge.